which is the heart of the house. So come on in. This is the acrylic finish kitchen. The acrylic finish doors. This is the pantry unit. The stainless steel baskets have been given in this pantry unit. And these are our tandem baskets. This is our tandem baskets. The tandem baskets are in trend these days. They are more durable, and these are the Profile D handles. Very easy to pull, very soft to pull out. These acrylic sheets are washable. You can wash it with your wet cloth also to keep it clean. And these are the marble countertop. This is the hob which is been inbuilt in this marble only. And look at this sink area. Very unique sink area, very new design of the sink area as we have shown in the another videos also. And these are again the storage. And look here. Now this is the shutter to keep your microwave, mixer grinder and other essentials. Area. Look at the beautiful sofa being designed by SK Interior. Very soft color being given according to our interior of the living room. And look at the wall. This is being designed. These are the wallpaper. This is the wallpaper and this is the molding bed. So this is easily available in the market and very beautiful wallpaper. Now I'll show you one unique thing. These are the profiles and this is our touch switch board of the heavens. See, the lights will get switched off like on the touch and switch on with a single touch. Dining area of our beautiful family. This is the wall, glass wall paneling, and these are the webbing of the glass mirrors. Beautifully, very neat finish being given always by SK Interiors. See, and come on in this area. Look at this wall. This is the wallpaper. Beautiful wallpaper for cozy candlelight dinner and very nice dining. To our first bedroom of this beautiful house. Come on in. See, look at the beautiful first bedroom. Now I'll show you. These are the covered section. The material that has been used here is Century laminates. These are the colorful Century laminates. Look at the sliding door. And the best part of this sliding door is if you leave it, they will go automatically. They will close it automatically. And another shutter is this one. See, ample storage to keep all the essentials, and see, it will go automatically. Very nice slide. In this beautiful room we have our dressing unit. Again the Century plywood has been given. And these are the chest of drawers. Again the webbing, glass webbing has been done. Very nice and a beautiful beautiful curtain area, curtains. And on each side of this beautiful bed, we have side tables as well as, now I'll show you, this is the headboard. And these are the tea, golden tea. Very beautiful padding has been done by SK Interior. And these are the side tables. And these are the lowers you might have seen in all full house. We have given these beautiful lowers. These also come in various designs. So as per your choice, you can get it. The unique and the best room of this house is our kids' room. So come on in. Wow, beautifully designed for beautiful kids. This is the main part for the kids, that is our study area, study table. These are again the century laminates been given. Very beautifully designed. And look at the area for sitting near the window. And there is a storage down below. Again, if you leave it, they'll go automatically like this. And look at the cupboard section. The new handles has been given this time by our client. These are all the designing, and inside we have these profile shutters, glass profile shutters, and you might have seen in our other videos also, these are the profile lights. Table, look at the dressing table. And again the touch switch boards have been given. Very nice. So I hope you will like this kids room as well, and you might have get a lot of ideas. अगर आप अपना हाउस भी बना रहे हैं, प्लीज यहाँ वाली वीडियो से देख सकते हैं और हमारे SK इंटीरियर को कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. So now I'll show you the third bedroom, which is our master bedroom. So come on in. Wow, beautiful and luxury master bedroom. Look at the design of the bed, and this is the wallpaper. Again the century laminates. The whole bedroom is also designed keeping in mind the storage area. See, this is the area for doing the work from home. Very nice table. And the cupboard section. Basically, you can see the new design and the hanging lights. Now, please see the false ceiling. The leaf design false ceiling has been given by SK Interior. And this is our AC panel. And on the right side, you can have a look on the full cupboard section. The main area is the storage. The client's main requirement was the storage to keep all your essentials. And छोटे से घर में भी इतना सुंदर स्टोरेज रखना बहुत बड़ी बात है, और बहुत अच्छे से ये कस्टमाइज किया है SK इंटीरियर ने. बहुत सुंदर लैमिनेट फिनिश दिया है और बहुत सुंदर सा कलर है. ये हैंडल्स, these are the handles. And see, the unique feature of this bedroom is there is a hidden washroom inside. Look at the hidden washroom. Again, the glass partition is been given. And look at the sink area. बहुत ही लग्जरी और एस्थेटिक रूम है ये। तो आई होप आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा और बहुत आइडियाज आपको इससे मिले होंगे। तो आपको नंबर हमारा बार बार आपको दिख रहा होगा, नंबर हमारा स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले हो रहा है। यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट एसके इंटीरियर एनी टाइम एनीवेयर। आई होप आज का इंटीरियर आपको बहुत सुंदर लगा होगा, बहुत अच्छा लग्जरी इंटीरियर करा है। अगर आपको भी कभी करवाना हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। कीप फॉलो एसके इंटीरियर्स, नीचे दिया हुआ है हमारे एसके इंटीरियर का नंबर। सो प्लीज कभी भी संपर्क कर सकते हैं ये दिए हुए नंबर पे। एंड दैट्स इट, दिस इज फॉर टुडे। टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय।